All I can see is that truck.
Good morning, everyone. This is now how I wanted to start my vlog. Mind you, my flight got delayed for 5 extra hours, so I didn't end up getting to Ghana until like maybe midnight. Trying to get to my hotel was just already bad itself. I had to get off the plane and then I had to wait even more hours to get to my flight from Paris to Ghana. During my trip, I got a message from booking.com and they told me, there was like, hey, we can't book you here, we have to move you somewhere else. And I'm just like, wait, what? I booked this like days, I booked this weeks in advance, maybe a month or two in advance. And they're like, we're sorry for the inconvenience, but we're gonna have to take you to a different hotel or a different apartment complex. We had called them. I had got a taxi. We had called the new apartment complex, the one I had to stay. They asked me, they were like, oh, well, what apartment unit are you at? I don't know. You just told me to come to this apartment complex. You guys are supposed to know what apartment unit I'm supposed to be in, not me. It was just so frustrating. Mind you, this is at 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock in the morning, and all I want to do is just be in my room, take a shower, and go to bed. And so like, it's just been one issue from there. And then the taxi guy, he didn't know how to get there, even though I gave him directions. He didn't know how to get there. And then we went to a different apartment complex. The guy directed him to the right apartment complex. I had to wait an additional 20 minutes just so they can come and get me and take me to my apartment room. I'm here now, and yeah, I'm just hoping that it's up from here. I'm only staying here for one day simply because my friends are not coming until today, so I had to book me an apartment or a hotel, whatever you want to call it, at least one day before she got here. So that's why I'm here, but I'm only staying here for one day. Early in the morning, I'm gonna go ahead and try to see if I can go get my hair braided. That's probably gonna be a mission itself. Everything's just been a mission, everything. So hopefully everything will be better from here. I'm gonna go to Afrik, but I'm probably not gonna be there until late. I'm probably gonna wait until my friend comes. We get settled into our new Airbnb complex, and then we're gonna go to Afrik because I don't want to go by myself. But yeah, so I'm gonna do that in the third. So right now, hopefully things will be better, because right now your homegirl is not feeling Ghana. It's not Ghana. Don't get me wrong, it's not that. It's just the whole logistics and the semantics of just getting here. It's just been horrible. But yeah, hopefully things will be better from here.
This is my decision. This is my decision. I don't think you listen. You listen. I don't think you listen. You've been waiting so long on me to answer your call. I know that I shouldn't have had you waiting at all. I've been so busy, but I've been thinking about what I wanna do with you. I know them other guys, they've been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They
Oh my god. So it's shut up. An eyelash fell off. It's 3:30 p.m. and I'm just now waking up. We stay out to like 6 o'clock in the morning. I have not done that since in my 20s. I hope I don't mix Afrofuture today, but I'm so exhausted. I cannot hear in this ear here. My voice is very scratchy. But I had a good time. I met some really cool people here in Ghana. I just honestly I have no words for it because it was just Ghana. Like it was just a really an experience. So you know what's so funny? I had deja vu being here. So that lets me know that I'm supposed to be here. I'm just speechless right now. I don't even know what else to say. I'm just so glad to be in this beautiful country, this beautiful city, meeting people. This is only what day three? Day three. But I'm glad that I had a really great time because the past 2 days of just traveling to get here just have been not a terrible experience, but just not a good experience. So this had definitely kind of changed my perspective of this trip, and I'm glad it did, and I knew it would. I'm just sharing you guys what was going on last night, and yeah, hopefully I'll make it to Afrofuture. I probably will make it to Afrofuture. I just really honestly I just want to hear in this ear. I hope I did not lose my hearing at all, because I would hate that for me, but yeah, hopefully this will let you know what you expect to see when you come to Ghana. Also, I just got my hair done. I got sort of like these Fulani braids. I was gonna go boho, but I just didn't want to deal with like untangling my hair. But I did get like these little curls at the end, which I thought was cute. And the girl did it pretty quickly. Like she was pretty fast, and it was just one person in my hair. So it wasn't like 2 or 3 girls. It was just one person. But she did it pretty fast, and she knew exactly what I wanted. And yeah, so I really love it. I really want to do some shopping to get some hair gel. I need to get a edge control brush so I can keep my baby hairs down. So hopefully they have a market here that should sell that. Oop, another lash. Crap. Bye.
A lot of people don't like it.
It's okay. I hope I don't break out.
But it's good for hydration.
I'm a little bit allergic to it. I don't know.
You're allergic to coconut?
A little bit.
Oh, which one? I don't have to eat all of it.
On the cart that drove us up to I was sat next to him. Barely said hello, and then he found me again. He's like, hey, can I give you a drink? Can I something? I was like,
Girls chilling at my crib. Zero Snapchat, zero Instagram posting. Woke up the vibe, my dick start falling like London Bridge. I don't care if I saw you in a magazine or if you're on TV. That will not be nothing to me. Don't need a shower, baby, I need a freak. Lick it like ice cream, as if you mean to be disgusting. It's not enough. Chop my banana, one side I like and no stopping up. Go shopping up, fuck that. No vibe, what I do? Breakfast don't fall. You can't need no check up. I saw a champagne bamboo. I guess the girls from the get-go. Cat girls from down. That's the life of a city boy. Oh yeah, yeah. Jamma. Oh yeah, yeah. Jello. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Mama Sheba, come back on. Make me the start of the paragon. Start of the halagon. Cause you know say my people they calago. Oguno, my power. As I hating on us, make we manyamo. Love be my father's son. Cause you know say I come from Potako. That's why I'm a jago. Start to the dance, I'm like I do. Don't need a lago. I go show you say bounce and a lago. Cause I be city boy. And I said they for the street, they give me joy.
Conservation area 1992. I think everything is going to be a mess. Yeah, I all know how important trees are to humans. Yeah, that's the reason, the main reason I'm talking.
Kind of. Okay. Ooh.
Oh, I'll look on your internet and see your social media. You ready?
Would you fly with me international? You go there with me for flying. I'll be like Terminator. I the deliver. I'm a busy doctor.
We've been ten times the airline.
We've been 10 times the chamber. Kuna epe bibi mano.
I'm a mission. Always.
Oh, but passion man fast. They're fast.
The Pomona castle was built in 1482 by the Portuguese, and the Portuguese came here in 1471 to trade. Were kept at the corner of the dungeon. So whenever they want to ease themselves, you have to do it in the containers. And whenever the containers are full, instead of them coming inside to take the containers out to empty them, they will just leave the containers right here in the dungeon. So the women don't have any option but to do it on the floor. And women also have the administration every month. Even during that time, they were still doing it right here in the dungeon. For several hours, at most 40 people from different West African countries came to do the exhibition. During that time, they slept here for a day, and the females used these clothes to cover themselves. They urinated here. So the next day, when they opened this door, here was smelling very bad. The gate was bigger from this side to this side. But when the attention shifted from the gold trade or the barter trade to the slave trade, they reduced the gate to this side so that they can count the captives easily and can control them very well. And at first, the sea was closer to the castle, but due to the rotation of the earth and the sea defense is done over there, he died of malaria and he spent only 3 months. He's called Van Tet. He was a Dutch. And when he died, they wrote this thing about him, that he was a good man, respectful, and a kind person. So we don't understand how or why a man who was kind and respectful coming to a place that they are doing slavery. So over there, it's called. This will be the end of the tour, and in conclusion, the Portuguese came here first in 1471 and built this castle in 1482. They spent 155 years at the castle and later was attacked by the Dutch in 1637. The Dutch also took over the castle and spent 235 years at the castle, and later sold the castle to the British in 1872. The British also didn't use this castle for slavery but served the administration center. The British also spent 85 years at the castle. Ghana gained independence in 1957. Now Ghana is 66 years, so this castle is 541 years and it's still counting. So as we are Africans, I hope and I believe we are learning our culture and our history very well, because slavery is still going on mentally. And as Frederick Douglass said, knowledge makes a man unfit to be slave. So I hope we are learning our history well so that we can become slave to others. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Designed in such a way that only one person could enter at a time. And before you enter, you need to bow before you fit in. At this point, it was very sad and emotional. Many people went through this door and not all of them survived. millions of them died on the Middle Passage. On the Middle Passage, some of the captives decided to commit suicide by throwing themselves into the sea, just because it will be better for them to die than to be taken to places that was unknown to them. So out of frustration, they were just jumping into the sea. And the soldiers were also offloading people as well, because they realized the ships were very heavy. It's so beautiful.
But you never caught me stupid. Got a long list in my pocket. I've been told before.
We're going inside of the tree. I have a tree house, but ooh. I love being
Don't wear shoes to climb trees.
Don't wear shoes to climb the trees.
Yeah.
Oh, I can see it's that trunk.
All the boys wanna hate me, but they can't 'cause I'm too feisty. 'Cause I'm a teenager, always gotta have some options. But for you, there's one more spot left in my roster, baby.
Palm wine, yeah. So the red fruit gives us the red oil. When it broke the shell, there's a nut inside the oil. Inside we'll get another oil from that. You understand? See the nut? We got another oil from this. You understand that? See the nut?
harder.
Good one.
He was the first Ghanaian man who was able to introduce the cocoa to Ghana for the very first time. And he was a Ga, meaning he was from Accra and also a blacksmith by profession. He was working with the Basel missionaries in Ghana. And there was a contract given to them at Fernando Pool, currently located as Equatorial Guinea. Right, so now we are at the place where we do the fermentation and the drying process. And I told you that it's based on this process where we Ghanaian cocoa beans becomes more quality. And I've explained further of the fermentation, so you now know what we are coming to do. So now my plantain leaves are ready, my cocoa pod is also ready, and I'm doing it up here because this is just a demonstration. If not, I'll be doing it somewhere on the floor. So first we light the leaves and then take the right cocoa pod. Strike open. This is how the beans are always arranged in the pod. And the beans in every cocoa pod start from 1 up to 55. Not less than 1 and not also exceeding 55. It's always in between. Fermentation begins in the darkness. So if I cover, fermentation starts. And if so, he or she needs to plant them in the farm. But now looking at the farm, it's already full up of cocoa, which we are having no more space for planting. But this is what the farmer needs to sell to the companies for making of the chocolate, Milo, cocoa powder, brown gold, and many more. So for this not to go under germination process, then you have to put some sticks or stones around it to make it airtight. So we are assuming that this is our sticks. Just place them and leave it for the first 3 days.
So what are we eating?
Eating banku and okra stew.
With
tilapia, which is not here yet.
Tilapia fish.
Yeah, tilapia fish.
How is it?
So good.
She got in the bar. Put down. Feeling the charm. Feeling the charm. Plenty. Put down plenty. Feeling the charm. Feeling the charm. Dinging. Holy God fire. Supernatural. Push my